tawagan na lang niya kita.
Ano pa? Hi everyone! Magandang hapon! Let's continue with our untranslatable Tagalog words. And for today, let's have pa. Pa. Let's start with the easy ones first. Pa sa Ingles ay still. Still. So, that right there is translatable. Let's have examples. Maaga pa. Still early. Kumakain pa. Still eating. Nagluluto pa. Still cooking. Get up now. Maaga pa. It's still early. Where's your mom? She's still cooking. Nagluluto pa siya. Nagluluto pa siya. And now, let's start with the untranslatable ones. Pa is used with the 5W questions. Mga halimbawa, sino pa? Who else? Ano pa? Ano pa? What else? Since when? Kailan pa? Kailan pa? Since when? Anong sabi nila?
Yung bukas ko naman ko mga 11 or earlier.
Ano pa? Pa is also used when asking to continue doing an action either recently done or currently being done. Mga halimbawa, magluto ka pa, cook more. Magluto ka pa, eat more, kumain ka pa. Konti pa, a little bit more. For example, someone is putting foods in your plate and you wanna say, little bit more. Konti pa, konti pa. And for example, someone is doing something and you want to tell him or her to continue doing it. Sige pa. Sige pa. Bakit pa? Bakit pa? Halimbawa, you're considering giving up on something or you already gave up and someone is persuading you to keep going or continue doing it and you're looking for a reason why or you're asking for a reason why. Bakit pa? Bakit pa? Another example, meron pa. Meron pa. There's more. Mama, kumain ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Not yet.
Hindi ka pa kumain?
Ako, hindi pa. Hindi pa rin. Is Dad already here?
No, not yet. Wala pa.
Wala pa. Wala pa can also be none yet. None yet. Wala pa. For example, you ask your favorite store if they already have your favorite snack and there's none yet. The answer is wala pa. Wala pa.